Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have Claudia again here with me today, and we are going to be testing out JuvaLips. So this is my first time trying it out, and it will be a very honest first impressions for me on how I feel about it.
You'll love it.
Yeah. So if you'd like to see our thoughts on JuvaLips, then please keep watching. Claudia is actually the one who is like, oh my god, you need to try this, it's the best.
I just sent her so many Snapchats of like, here's my lips before JuvaLips, here's my lips after 1 application, after 2, after 3, and it was just like
bigger and bigger. I'm like, oh my god.
So basically I feel like I kind of fell into the Facebook trap. I guess Facebook found that I was Googling lip fillers one day, and as I was scrolling through my feed, I came across this JuvaLips ad, and it was like a couple of girls, a couple of different videos of girls giving like honest opinions, and like it looked super real, like it wasn't at all doctored or anything. So I was like, okay, this is kind of cool in the interim, like while I find my perfect,
or decide if you actually
right,
want
exactly, yeah, like
that's a hard decision
I know.
to make. You're like, do I do it? Do I not
do it? Because like my lips are already full, but I mean, who doesn't want fuller? Yeah, if you want fuller lips, yeah.
Yeah.
So, yeah, so basically I watched a few more videos on YouTube, just kind of like really trying to find out if this thing was real or not. I went on the website, and I wasn't gonna pay the shipping and the American exchange, so I went on good old Amazon and Amazon Prime, and for 162 bucks,
nice.
A couple days later, we got our little lippy sucky mechanism, and I gave it a shot, and honestly I'd have to say that I was quite impressed. Yeah, so
it's better than using like the shot glass to like suck your face.
Oh my god, don't
everywhere.
do that, and don't buy that stuff from AliExpress that looks like a little like
lip, like actual lips.
No, it doesn't. No, it's not actual lips. It looks like a little tomato with like the crease in the bottom lip, and you like suck it on, and you literally leave it there for like 5 minutes, and what comes out is like drool. And your lip, like the lips look like a butthole. So
I'm not trying to have an ass on my face. I'm good.
So basically the first time that I used it, I read the precautions saying start off with 1 60-second application, no more than that, and I was like, okay, I'll do it 2 or 3 times, because I'm stubborn that way, and
that's me.
My lips turn blue. So ladies and gentlemen, your lips will bruise the first time. I just want to let you know your lips will bruise. So hopefully you get the results
and not just bruise lips.
Before you get the bruising. And then I think as your lips heal, you can use them more and more and more. I think I'm at like 3 60-second applications now to kind of get my full result, and it lasts me a couple of hours. It's perfectly fine for what I need right now. Like I said, while you're searching for the perfect person,
because we don't want hacks. So what's the first thing that you actually do?
So the first thing that I do is I always apply a little bit of lip chat, just to kind of soften the lips up a little bit
and help it go better.
Yeah, plump them up a little bit. So kind of talking a little bit about this little mechanism. So super simple. The package that we got was the starter package, and that was 162. So basically you get 2 different sizes of like the mouth piece.
I didn't get that.
You didn't get that?
I only got 1 size.
Oh, weird. Okay. And you get like a whole bunch of these little like pad things that you put in the inside. And super simple, just a button that you turn it on, and then it turns off automatically after 60 seconds. So there's really no way for you to screw this up. So I guess,
oh my god, I'm so scared.
Mouth placement. Okay, so at the risk of looking like a duck right now, I'll show you all how to do this. This is how you want to go into the JuvaLips. Just kind of,
oh my god.
Yeah. Do you feel that? Is it weird?
Yeah.
Okay. And then you stick your tongue out just a tiny bit, and then as soon as your mouth is inside of
your tongue back in,
you kind of put your tongue back in. Are you gonna do just 1? Or are you gonna do?
Well, I'm gonna see how it turns out after 1.
Okay. So when you're get yourself situated, and then when you're ready,
like how far do you stick your tongue? Just like
like that, and then you just kind of ready. And press.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh my god.
Okay. So,
Oh my god.
that's what bruised lips look like. Can you look at me?
It looks like I just had a lollipop.
So what you want to do is just kind of massage your lips like that.
Oh my god.
So ladies and gentlemen, what I've also heard from estheticians
and
and people who do lip injections and stuff is the reason why a lot of people get that duck lip line back here is because they're not massaging their lips properly afterwards. So that's something that we want to do.
Goodness.
This is kind of massage.
Okay, well, like the blueness went away. It was just like at first.
Yeah. So I don't know if you can see.
Hurt.
It's kind of one application. Do you want to do another one? Do you notice a difference?
Yeah.
I notice a difference. Now try sticking your top out more.
Okay.
So the nice thing about this JuvaLips is that you can flip it around as well if you really want to focus on your top lip, which I
I'm gonna
find.
try that.
Yeah.
My bottom lip is already full enough as it is. I don't need it like sticking out.
So we're gonna do basically
It kind
the
of
same
hurts.
thing.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna try the upside down way.
Upside down.
Because I want to like get.
So
Yeah.
also I noticed that like you wanna
Like try and get more.
get more, I guess like duck face your lips in there a little bit, but fill it out. Exactly. Just like that.
Okay. Oh my goodness.
Ready?
Okay. Hold on.
Yes, just just
Oh my god.
it's a little bit
Why do they turn so blue?
because you're bruising your lips. Because that's what happens the first time that you do it. All the blood that goes rushing in.
The whole upside down thing made my bottom lip even bigger. I can
visibly see a difference in
I
yours.
can feel it. Oh yeah. I'm gonna go back to the regular way. Oh my god. My bottom lip is gonna look like I got punched.
So I don't know if you guys can see this. Like,
Do you notice that you talk different? I can feel it.
I feel like I talk a little bit different because they're lifting up. Like, I guess it's like
right on the
here.
outside.
Yeah.
I feel it.
And that's the part that you want to massage, or else you get
You're
your.
gonna put more of this on.
That's a good idea. I visibly already noticed after a second time a difference.
Oh my god, my bottom lip is huge.
But I'm at the point kind of where I like will do it 3 or 4 times to get maximum effect. Usually I wait like 15 minutes before I leave the house because like, I mean, what comes out after the 4th time is like, I mean, like this is not supposed to 100% replace filler.
No,
like
no.
this is just kind of in the interim if you don't want any sort of like soft surgery procedure or anything. Like this is a really good option. It works really well for me.
It actually is like,
yeah.
All right, we're gonna go in one more time, and I'm gonna try and get my top lip a little bit more because my bottom lip is definitely full enough.
And you'll know how to maneuver it inside the machine. Okay.
So I think I almost like don't even put my bottom lip in, basically.
Totally. And like some girls will act like, I don't recommend that anybody tries this, but like some girls will like turn like the machine this way, which really like, you can imagine how their lips are like in like how they come out, they look like
Crazy.
this. So
Yeah. All right.
but whatever floats your boat.
Oh my god. Like, look at the middle of my lip.
Like, okay, so
Oh, I can feel the top
you
now.
want to massage that out, and I think when we exfoliate, it'll really help.
I can feel the top lip definitely got more.
Oh yeah, 100%.
Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah. So let's exfoliate now. So
Okay, so now I guess Claudia always does this, exfoliates, and it just helps. Oh my god, I talk so different.
So-
this is weird.
yeah, so yeah, it's like, hey girl,
But
like
I feel like I'm
try-
I feel like I'm talking like this.
try not to talk as if you have duck lips, because I find that a lot of girls and guys will be like, so
Hey girl.
I just want everybody to know that I just got my lips done. It's like, girl, why? Why are you talking like that? So I guess third step that I do is I exfoliate now.
What exfoliator are you using?
I'm using Bubble Gum by Lush. So this is vegan and like a sugar-
Cruelty-free everything.
Cruelty-free, cruelty everything, whatever. Cruelty-free everything. And basically what's really nice about this is that after I'm done exfoliating, it's quite grainy. It's just
So it's literally
sugar.
sugar.
It's literally sugar.
and,
That's
and oils. Yeah. Jojoba.
jojoba.
It's
Is it
jojoba.
jojoba? Okay, well,
Come on, be Spanish here.
jojoba, jojoba seed oil.
Like ja ja ja.
So basically, the reason why I use
Oh my god,
an
it's also good.
exfoliating, this specific
like vodka.
exfoliator, it smells like our youth in circa 2008. and
Anybody who's
2009.
there,
We are
let
so
us know.
sorry.
We're so sorry for your loss.
We were
having
awesome.
to see us there.
In our polyester shirts
shirts
and
with
leggings
We thought we
and
were
our
like
flats.
so cool.
sexy,
Go
and our
on.
3 a.m. like McDonald's runs. That was great. So anyways, back to
this.
the exfoliating. This exfoliator is really awesome because when you're done, you can just lick it off your lips. If you're into bubblegum, it's fantastic. The reason why I exfoliate is because I kind of want to you're supposed to massage the lips
Yeah,
so you
that
don't get that duck face like
Yeah, which I kind
pocket
of have
kind of right here. Yeah, a little bit. I think I have it a little bit here too. But it also kind of brings up like the blood flow.
Right, so it makes them a little bit more
More plump, but like naturally now. It's not getting sucked. So we're your lips are not dying by sucking. So Sarah, grab some of this.
just a little bit.
Yeah. And just give it a good scrub. That way, if you're wearing like matte lipstick or any sort of lipstick, you also remove any sort of like imperfections, like loose skin or dry lip skin, because that sucks. That's not very attractive.
A good look with matte lipstick at all.
No. So give it a good scrub. And also massage those back pockets.
I haven't seen anyone do this.
It's something that I've come up with.
Yeah, because I haven't seen, like when I watched any of the videos, no one's done anything like exfoliating after.
Yeah. It's just something
But
that
that
I've
makes
done.
sense though. Okay, so we went in with our lip scrub, but then I was like, I want more on my top lip, so I did it a fourth time. I'm just gonna stop trying it because I'm going to have no lips tomorrow and I'm gonna look like a psycho. So now we're gonna go, after we do the scrub, we're gonna go in lightly with like a little lip mask just to get some moisture back in our lips.
Yeah, so what I like to use is this brand. I got it from Sephora. It's called Laneige. Laneige? I don't know.
Laneige?
Laneige, like,
Oh, like the snow? No, that's probably not right.
Laneige. So we're just gonna go in very lightly because we're gonna apply our lipstick or whatever we want to wear afterwards. So I'm using Kiki Luxe Color from Amazon. Probably a knockoff of a big brand that I don't know if we can say or not.
I don't even know what brand it would be, but I'm gonna go a bit bougie.
Oh.
I'm going more bougie than Amazon. I have Urban Decay here, and it is in the shade Brat. So this is actually like a sheer kind of like pinky nude. All right, well,
So we've now applied our lipsticks, and
I actually think it looks really good.
you like it?
Yeah, I do.
Okay,
Yours
so
look really good.
thanks. This is what 4 times will 4 60-second sessions will do to your face. This will last probably if
My mouth, I
hours.
know for sure is gonna be sore later. It already hurts a little bit.
Try icing it tonight before you go to bed. Opinions? Do you think it was worth it? I guess we'll have to see when we come back. when we come back from dinner.
Yeah.
See what it lasted. Yeah, let's do a check-in.
So we will check back in with you in like a couple hours just to see
how
it looks. And then I'll give you my final thoughts and let you guys know if this is worth something that you should be purchasing or if it's just like,
don't waste your money on it.
But so we will be back in a couple hours and let you guys know my final thoughts. Hey guys, we're back with our check-in after dinner, and there's still a little bit there, like for you.
Yeah.
You feel
like a little bit. Like, I mean, they've definitely deflated.
Yeah. So
since
mine,
like,
yeah, since they're really big and like I talked really freaking weird. So also, I don't know.
Let's talk about
this. You can really see it. Look at how bruised it is.
Okay, so that's bruising due to not using it properly.
And probably doing it too many times your first try, so... Yeah, this side's actually really bad.
So, what can you recommend to our audience?
It doesn't hurt. Don't... Okay, first of all, read the instructions that come with it, and it says do it like maybe twice max.
Yeah.
Your first time, don't do it
exactly.
4.
Yeah.
Like me.
Don't do it 4 times.
I'm interested to see what this looks like in the morning, but at the end of the day, I would still recommend this. It is, if once you like use it more than once, I'm sure like the bruising aspect will probably go away.
Yeah, for sure.
And if you use it like you're supposed to, but so yeah. So my final thoughts is like, I would actually recommend this to people.
Did you find that it was well worth the $160 retail?
I think that might be like a little bit high of a price point.
Yeah.
Just for like what it is.
Yeah, basically just an apparatus that sucks on your lips.
Yeah.
Peace.
Bye. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this review style video. If you guys want to see more types of these videos, let me know in the comments down below and I can definitely review more products, and even let me know if there's like a specific product you want reviewed. And I can see if that's possible. Maybe Claudia and I can start reviews. We can do like reviews together. I think that's a good idea.
I mean, we already did the DIY mask fail.
Yeah, that went horribly wrong. But this, I think, is actually going to be a good one.
I think so. Yeah, I definitely
let us know if you want us to do more reviews, and I'm down for that.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, cool. Alright, so yeah, that's it for today's video. Please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and make sure to click the little bell notification so you're notified every time I upload a new video. So until next time, always remember to be yourself. Bye guys!
Do you want to take a break?
No.
And so it's still like coming, right? It's still coming out, like working itself. Okay, we're gonna edit that.
Are you still doing that?
Okay,
oh
Sam.
Oh, come here.
Oh my god, is your face bruised?
Oh, your whole mouth, you're gonna have...
You look like you have wrinkles on your face.